This airbag test tool is used to assist in the diagnosis of the airbag warning light being constantly on. Thus it assists in the diagnosis of a failed airbag unit, failed airbag clock springs, wiring or seatbelt pretensioners, etc. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to remove the airbag. Treat the removed airbag with care and make sure that you place the airbag with the trim cover facing up. The tool effectively becomes a dummy airbag and allows the vehicle's diagnostic system to identify the fault. It is used in conjunction with a suitable code reader. Simply place the pin probes onto the airbag terminal connectors on the steering column, not onto the airbag itself. Now switch on the ignition and allow the diagnostic system to go through the self-checking procedure. If the airbag warning light goes out, then the test has shown that the airbag itself is faulty. If the airbag light stays on, then further diagnosis of the system is required.